Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. Welcome back. After a long time, Physical Education Chapter 5 Yoga. It is part 1 or it is for the class +1. As you know, nowadays yoga become trend in our society, not in only our country, in foreign country also, because people know the benefits of yoga. Because to take the allopathy medicine, we can prevent ourselves before getting ill, or if any disease or any deformity or any disability is there. So through yoga and naturopathy we can become healthy or fit and fine. So this chapter relates to the yoga. That word is not new. If we talk about the literature, what we found about yoga, some people are saying that yoga origin from India, some are saying it is originate from China. But if we talk about through our Indian side, okay, Patanjali, who is known as the father of yoga. The information we got about Patanjali, that is not confirmed, but according to the literature we assume that in 147 BC that Patanjali take birth, or he write a very important book that is known as the Yoga Sutra. Yoga Sutra, here ER or RA. In Yoga Sutra he talk about the yoga. Or if we talk about the which history we know very well, means we are studying from 6th class that Harappa Sanskriti, Vedic period, epic period, after that Nalanda, Takshila, Visvidalaya, Ramayana, Mahabharata. In that yoga play a significant role, or about yoga they pressurize the people to do yogic exercise, because yoga is the method which can control our scattered mind, or through yogic exercise. If I talk about the Surya Namaskar, so we can strengthen our body physically. If I talk about the meditative or culturative or relaxative asana, then we can become very good or sharp mentally. Means both parts, mental or mental or physical, both become healthier. So we become healthier, or we can live a healthy life with good lifestyle or good routine. Okay, so yoga, word yoga. According to philosophers, according to the authors, or we can say writers, yoga came from Sanskrit word that is युज. In Sanskrit ये एक धातु होती है युज. युज means to add, we can say to plus, to compute, जोड़ देना. Okay, to compute. So this word relate to the divine soul, means to God, means एक individual soul we have to attach with the God. It is known as the yoga. Or one more thing, yoga word basically it came from the bhakti yoga. Bhakti yoga, you know that Meera, Surdas, Kabir Das, these all are related to the bhakti yoga. Okay, bhakti yoga. सो संस्कृत वर्ड यूज मीन्स टू ऐड, जोड़ देना, कंप्यूट कर देना, ए इंडिविजुअल सोल टू द डिवाइन वन मीन्स भगवान के साथ, आत्मा का परमात्मा से मिलन। ओके, some definitions are given by different people or different philosopher. First one is there, checking the impulse of mind according to Patanjali. Checking the impulse of mind means which type of definition we will do? All definition indicate that control the scattered mind, control the unnecessary moves, control the senses to go toward the unnecessary need or unnecessary thing. If we control our senses, that is we are mentally good, or if our body become physically healthy or fit through yogic exercise, so that is means physical or mental health, it become a we can say yogic impulse. Here he is talking about the checking the impulse of mind, means we everybody, a living being having a mind or brain, or that brain is uncontrolled, it's go everywhere, which attractive thing if we saw, we become curious to watch it. So to control that senses or to maintain it inside, where we want to concentrate, that mind will concentrate over there, no anywhere. That is known as the yoga according to the Patanjali. Yoga is attaining the pose according to Ved Vyas, Maharishi Ved Vyas. Yoga is attaining the pose. Pose here is talking about the posture. Pose, we know in asanas, what is the definition of asana? Attaining the pose is known as asana, means without any difficulty our mind become this much concentrated, or our body become this much healthier or stronger. If we are standing, then easily it is an easy thing for us that we can stand for a long time, or any other difficult pose if we want to attain, easily we can attain. That is known as the yoga, attaining the pose. किसी posture को attain या प्राप्त कर लेना, it is known as yoga according to the Ved Vyas. Another definition is given by Bhakti Krishna Tirth, Bharti Krishna Tirth. Bharti Krishna Tirth. Bharti Krishna Tirth said, oneness of man with God. Oneness of man with God is yoga. Means attach yourself with the God, that thing look like a one thing. खुद को भगवान के साथ इस तरह से जोड़ देना कि एक हो जाना, that is known as yoga. But oneness, here we have to control our senses, or we have to totally concentrate with the divine soul. That is attaining, we can say that is the oneness of man with God is known as the yoga. Or last one is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, skill in action or efficiency alone. Skill in action or efficiency Efficiency alone is yoga. Is yoga. Skill in action means which type of skill we know it should be in action or it should be efficient. We can give an example of Arjun. Like one time what happened, Dronacharya show a tree to the Pandavas or Kauravas. Then he asked one by one to everyone, what you are seeing on the tree. So only Arjun told that I only seen an eye of a bird. So Arjun, he was this much concentrated, means only a one point he was concentrated, or he hit the bird easily, that eye he hit with his arrow. So here he is talking about skill in action or efficient, mean prabhavi. Which type of skill we know? That should be sharp, no plus, no minus, sharp. That is known as the yoga, because in Bhagavad Gita, Mahabharata, Yuddha was there, battle was there between Kaurav or Pandavas, or that there is a demand of skill in a battle. Who is having a better skills, better efficiency in his skill, better, that will win the battle. On other hand, if we talk about the importance of yoga, you can write from yourself also. Yoga improve our health, yoga remove the stress, anxiety or frustration, yoga bring healthy body, healthy mind. Through yoga we can improve our lifestyle. Through yoga we can attach ourselves with the God. So many things are there, all type of deformity, all type of disability or all type of disease we can remove through yoga, or we can control our scattered mind. So it is very good for our mental or physical health or for social health also. So these all are the importance or benefits of yoga. Means through yoga which type of benefits we can take, that is known as the importance of yoga, or if anything giving us benefit. That's why we are saying importance, कि किसी चीज़ की क्या importance है. Okay, so in this topic, in this part 1, only this much. What is yoga, or that some definitions about yoga, or what is the importance of yoga. In next part we will do about the Ashtanga Yoga. So तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते.